Magic E, wave hello. Standing quiet, nice and slow. He doesn't make a sound, it's true, but he changes what vowels do. Magic E, changing words so cleverly. Tap becomes tape, cat becomes cape, hop becomes hope. Can you see? Magic E, making vowels say their name. Kit becomes kite, bit becomes bite. It's Magic E's amazing game.
Mad turns into maid, rib becomes ride.
Cub becomes cube, come along for the ride.
Pin becomes pine, knot becomes note.
Tub becomes tube, now let's sing it loud. Magic E, changing words so cleverly. Tap becomes cake, cat becomes cape, hop becomes hope. Can you see? Magic E, making vowels shout their name. Hat becomes hate, pet becomes beat. Learning phonics is great. Says ah,
E says E,
I says E,
O says O.
you says ah. Thanks to Magic E. Magic E, standing at the end so quietly. He doesn't speak, but every week he helps us read so happily.